Now I will show you how to work with the DirectSoft software. So whenever you open your computer, you will have an icon named DS Launch File. So you have to double click this icon. So now this opens us the DS launch window. From here, you have to click this applications direct soft 5 programming. You can double click it. Now it opens a new window. It asks you to name the project. So you can browse here and you can create a new folder. Every time you write a program, create a new folder. So this is my sample program 1. So I am going to name this folder sample 1. So that is my folder. Then you can click here open. Then it will ask for file name. So you can give sample. Now you can save this. So we have set up our folder path. Then these things you don't have to change. Our family is direct logic and our type is DL05. Now you can press OK. So this is the DirectSoft programming environment. So here you can see this is the part where we will write our ladder logic, and these are file menu icons we can use, and these are some shortcuts which we also have it in the right hand side. And so right now we cannot do anything in this. To start writing a code, we have to be in the edit mode. So you can click this edit mode here in the right hand or here in the top, or you can use a shortcut Control E. So whenever you click this, you can see the color change to dark black. So now what that means is we can start writing the program. So as a first program, I am going to write a program. Whenever we turn on the switch 1, we have to turn on the feed motor. So if we go back and check in our input, X10 is the switch code for the 1, and Y10 is the output name for the feed motor. So if I want to write a program where if I press the X10, I want to turn on the feed motor, I can write like this. So double click here, then you can type X0 in the keypad, then enter. So right now we input X0 in the input side. Sorry, we should use X10. So I can double click, make it X10. And in the right hand, you can give Y10 because that's our motor name. You can just click it, double click and type Y10. Then you can press this tick or you can just enter. Now you can see whenever X10 is powered, power is gone to Y10. That means feed motor will run. And in every ladder logic, it should have an end line with END. So you can just click there and type END and enter once more. So this is done. So this is our first basic program. So whenever the program is done, you can click accept. So this accepts the changes. Also, one thing you have to do is you have to click PLC connect, and it will show the PLC we have. Select that, and whenever it is saying it's not responding, you can click retry again, and it will ask how you are using this program. You have to use disk because we are programming it in the computer, then writing it to the PLC. So use disk. So that's all. Now you can see the status here is green, so we are connected to the PLC machine. So let me show you how this works. So now what I can do is I can go to mode, run mode, okay. So here you have read from PLC and write from PLC. So once you completed this program, you accepted all the changes, you can just click write to PLC. Then it will ask you are going to write it to the machine. Do you want to do that? You can give yes, write to the PLC. So now it's returned to the PLC. Now I'm turning to the camera. So you can see whenever I press the switch once, the motor is running and it's taking the marble. So that program is working fine. Whenever we turn on X10, Y10 is turned on. So if you want to see how this is being done in action, you can turn this status on. So if you turn this on, you can see what all variables are turned on and what all variables are not turned on. So if I press this, you can see X10 is turned on, that in turn turns on Y10. That's what's happening right now. Whenever I turn off X10, you can see this X10 is turned off, no power is going to the Y10. So that's about first basic program.